Hello everyone, I'm back with another interesting video in CCNA, that is network tool. So what is network tool? As the word describes, we have a tool how we can check our network is properly working or functioning is properly or not. So let's start it. In this slide, we have two tools that is simply available in any computer or any PC. That is ping or traceroutes. So let's start with the one is a ping, that is a PING. So what is ping? Ping is simply referred as packet internet gopher, or ping is used to diagnose to ensure that your destination computer or host computer is alive in your network or not. It works by sending ICMP protocol or ICMP request. It can be used for troubleshooting, for testing in our network connectivity, or simply we can say it's just sending the ICMP request to your destination computer to whom you want to connect, and it will reply with your destination computer and give you back to the source computer that hey, your system is connected with each other. Or in scenario we can say we have two computers just like computer A and computer B, or we can say if a computer A wants to communicate with computer B, it simply send the ping message by SMP request to computer B, and it will reply with computer B. If there is no communication between both computers, it simply says sorry, there is no connection between these two computers. So the basic concept of ping is used to check the connectivity between one computer to another computer, or in the same vice versa. If the computer B wants to check signal for the computer A, it will just send in the reverse order of your ping ICMP request to computer A. And if the computer A is available, or if not shut down, or is available in the network, is working properly, it just receives the message from computer B that hey, computer B wants to communicate with me. It simply say to computer B, I'm ready to communicate with you. So here I'm going to reply, and we have a communication. So the two computers, they have a proper handshake. So it means they have established a connection for communicating devices with their proper assignments, with their agreement, so they can communicate with each other in proper manner or in proper order with their proper protocol. Or we can say we have computers we are mostly we're using in the overall worldwide, that is the Windows operating systems. So how we can check IP addresses in our computer or in our network is simply by sending the IP address, checking by the IP config. We can check it the IP, and we want to check the IP of the other computers, destination computer. We just type the ping and just type the IP address of destination computer. If it reply, it means that computer is alive in network and it's working properly. So we can go through with it and we can check it. So this is the all over the concept of the ping. It plays a big role in all of the computer in our networking, because without ping we will not able to diagnose the connection between these two computers is working or not. So let's start. We have another utility is a networking utility is Traceroute. As the word describes, trace route. If you go through these two words, tracing the route, which is used to display the path or route of the packet from source computer to destination computer. It uses ICMP messages by gradually increasing the TTL values. Or we can say it traces the path from one network to another network. Here in diagram, we just simply trace it the google.com. So we simply mention the command, that's a tracer, space, and the destination computer. In our example, we have a google.com, and it starts the checking and tracing the google.com with the different IP addresses and different the time their establishment. So it means it will checking each and every router that is available in our network, till it reach its destination. So let's understand in very briefly. Suppose we have a computer. If you want to connect with another computer or the server of the Google, so we have a different cities, city 1, city 2, city 3, and the computer A sends a signal to our local router, and this router goes to communicate with another router from another city, and that router will connect with another router in city 3 and so on, and it will passes its messages or packets to next router by increasing their TTL values. Once it reaches their destinations, it means their trace routes we have completed. So we can say the request passes through each router to find the best path with the best result with output. Or we can say the trace route is in simple manner the tracing the route of your packet from source computer to destination computer. With that, we can find the troubleshooting that which connection is not available between source to destination. Or we have a different operating system. We can say if we are using a Kali Linux, in Kali Linux, we have simple command traceroutes and we are here the google.com. First it check our router IP, that's a gateway of the 192.168.1.1, and that it goes to our ISP. In here we case we have a ISP of Airtel broadband.in, and then if it goes out from Airtel broadband to next router, there is a 125 and goes for another router 182, then another 72 and so on 108 and 66, and finally it reaches its destination router, that is the DAL00.net. So it will traces each and every router that comes between your source to destination, or it works by sending the ICMP ports. So this is all about what is ping and what is tracer. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time with more interesting video in CCNA networking. Goodbye and have a nice day.